we were invited, and we're very honored to be invited to the opening of the parliamentary year. Approximately 55 of the 98 students that we have this year. It's part of, we were invited because we have a course and it's called Context, Culture and History, and we are talking about the environment of Aruba and of course the democracy of Aruba, and this was part of the course, and so it was very good to be here so our students could see themselves how the Parliament of Aruba works. Of course, that's very important because, like the governor said, there's a lot of things going on and there are a lot of conflicts and wars, and we have to be very make secure that Aruba isn't going to be in a conflict. And we need our democracy, we need our parliament, we need our ministers. We hope that our students in the future will be part of this movement too.